make a holster for my GPD pocket. You guys have seen me take some measurements before. This time it will be the same. Let's get started. First, I'm just going to draw a wobbly shape of the GPD pocket to get a feel of it. Okay, and I'm going to use the caliper to measure the GPD size. 109.2. Let's make it 110. So the size is 110. And at the bottom there are some rubber feet here. We also need to measure the distance between them. Okay, 182. And for the corner, let's use the radius gauge to measure it. Let's use the small one. And it kind of looks like a 3 to me, I think. It's my guess. 5. Oh, and I have to measure the thickness. Between 18 and 19, I'm going to go for 20. I'm going to print some test. I'm going to print some test print anyway. So I forget to measure the distance from the rubber free to the side, so I'm gonna measure it now. Alright, that's it. I think it fits well. As you guys can see last time, when I showed the test fitting, I didn't print the whole thing. I just print a slice of it so that it doesn't waste material and time. This time I did the same thing, but it fits pretty well. It's a bit tight. Of course, I don't want when I'm running. If I'm running, my laptop will fly around or it slips. It's a holster. So I'm happy with it. So now I'm going to print the whole thing. So this is the final result. Let's slide it in. It takes about 16 hours. I thought it would be quicker, but it takes 16 hours. I guess for TPU it prints a bit slower, but I'm happy with the result. And I'm going to my friend's bar tonight. She has a grand opening. It will be kind of dorky to wear it on the bell, but I like it. And people know I combine tech with my thing together, so I'm going to wear it out and see how it goes.